studio, I want to show you very quickly a new tool that our Link team have put into place. And this is to do with making changes to a call to action button whilst you're on the call. Now, all of the elements that you create, a call to action button, a poll, a contract that you want to add as part of your call, or even some audio of some meditation, can all be done and should all be done prior to your call. And if you are too busy with your business and wanting to just turn your conversations to conversions, I do have a service called Studio Architect, and I can set these up for you. However, let me just show you, and the call to action button comes up on my page. Now, what you can't see is above the call to action button is a little editing button, and I can make changes whilst I'm on the call. So say everyone's on the phone call, everyone's in the meeting or the webinar, and I notice that check out the website, those words are a little bit hard to read. So whilst I'm on the call, I can change the check out the website to white. So if you missed that, I'm just going to tame it back to purple, and now I'm going to change it back to white, and that's done. So people can click on the button live while they're on the call, and that will go to the website. And if I don't want the call to action button up, I can actually just click on the X and put it down. I can then have some live web overlays that come up whilst I'm on the call. And this page shows you the prices of R-Link. So if I want to do a presentation on R-Link, I can have any web overlays or any presentations, anything come up into my presentation that I would like. So I have gone into that in detail in previous videos, so please check out my other videos. But if you are interested in using R-Link, a secure, decentralized platform where your data can't be sold and your calls can't be hacked, please click on the link below and check it out. Have an amazing day.